Look, I want to show you something. These parrots aren't supposed to be here. According to this distribution map, these parrots aren't from our area. But look, I found this old book of mine where I save pictures of things that I want to happen in my life. Look, here's a beautiful king parrot. It's obviously on the coast where it's lush, not hot and dry like out here. Look, this is all lush, tropicalness. But in my imagination, I wanted these beautiful birds to come here, and apparently they have. So there's a beautiful king parrot. My visualization came true. Visualizations don't always come true, but you've got to have a dream to make it come true. So you really have to. You've got to start somewhere. You really have to start somewhere. You've got to have a dream to make a dream come true. My beautiful king parrots. They came true, look, they came true. If you've got a dream, hang on to it and make it come true. There's a king parrot. There's a king parrot in the Aleppo pine. Isn't it pretty? So green. So lovely. Now it's down on the ground. Where are you, my beauty? Oh, there you are. Bright orange trousers. You're either a little girl or a boy, or an immature. You're either a female or an immature male, aren't you? Let's look at some of the others. There's a boy. Where's the boy, the bright red head? There he is, that's a boy. Isn't he gorgeous? So lovely. This is like the Garden of Eden, this place. Oops, I spooked him maybe. I spooked him. Well, there you are. Nice warm winter's day. Sunny, I mean. It's warm when the sun's out. Hello, my little green beauty. Oh, they've flown up into the tree, most of them, into the wattle tree. Still. So green, like moss, mossy green. Aren't you lovely? Up high in the wattle tree now, aren't they? Will they come back down again? Oh yes, they're coming back down again. That one seems to be slightly lame. Look, and there's a cockatoo around too. What's it up to? What are you doing here, cockatoo? There's cockatoos in the vicinity. quiet on Sunday, isn't it? I see that one up in the wattle tree is actually dining on seeds or something. It's dining on something in the wattle tree. Seeds or something. So if you have wattle trees, they'll attract parrots. Wattle, that is acacia. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Definitely nibbling. Flower heads maybe, or seeds. I always like a cockatoo. And there's the cockatoo there. He just got a pine cone and he's decided to eat it up in the wattle tree. Such sharp beaks. To think that they can cut through wood like pine cone with that. Their beaks are so sharp. There's a cockatoo. Another cockatoo. What are you doing? What are you eating exactly? You're so white, aren't you? So perfectly white. Look at you. Focus, come on, focus. So fluffy, white as snow. Aren't you? So fluffy. There's a king parrot in the Aleppo pine, such a beautiful jade green, gorgeous creature. What are you eating? You're trying to eat pine cones too, are you? What are you doing exactly? You're nibbling the tips of pine trees, getting around eating the tips. Hello, pretty. Aren't you so pretty? The cockatoos have driven out the king parrots now. They've taken over. The tree belongs to them now. There's a cockatoo. Hello, pretty. Big, strong beak. Look at you. Look at your beady eye. He knows he's being watched, doesn't he? He knows. What are you up to? Aleppo pines will attract cockatoos. All pine trees attract cockatoos because they like pine cones. They like pine nuts of any size or sort, pretty much. Hello, cocky. Parrots are quite good at turning upside down. You think all that blood would run to their head, wouldn't you? All parrots, each individual types of parrot has their own climbing style, I've noticed. Like rosellas will climb mainly down the trunk itself. They'll stick close to the trunk. But king parrots and cockatoos don't stick so closely to the trunk. They've all got their own style. Well, my pretty is up in the loquat tree. There you are. There's my little favourite, the male. He's my favourite. Should I favour favourites? Should I have favourites? But he's so pretty. Hello, little boy. Aren't you gorgeous? You're so wonderful. So colourful. These parrots, these king parrots, aren't even supposed to be in my area. Aren't you lovely? You're getting dozy, aren't you? Look at you, you're getting sleepy on this Sunday afternoon, this sunny Sunday afternoon. Aren't you gorgeous? Look at you. You're getting sleepy in the warm sun, aren't you? Look at you, aren't you beautiful? So beautiful. You're out of focus now. Focus again, come on. I still haven't read the instructions. No, I know I'm terrible. Where's your little friend underneath you? Oh, there you are. Your drab little friend. Your drab female friend or junior male friend. Hello, sleepy. Come on. Aren't you sleepy? Sleepy, aren't you? You've had nice apples to eat, haven't you? You have. Now you can have a little doze. You've had a nice apple. Focus, come on, focus. So tropical looking, aren't they? So tropical looking. What colour is that? It's not vermilion because it's too orange to be vermilion. What would you call that colour? It's not flamingo pink because it's too orange to be flamingo pink. You don't eat crustaceans, do you? Listen to the bees buzzing. It's so gorgeous. We've got to grow more crabapple trees, but there's a drought on. There's a terrible drought, and the soil, listen, is all hard as a rock. It's winter time, but the ground is as hard as a rock. Too hard to plant trees. That got your attention, didn't it? That got your attention. Beautiful eyes. Nice black colour on the lower part of the beak. What are your nostrils called? Are they called nares or something? When I do crossword puzzles, N-A-R-E, nare means a bird or a horse's nostrils, I think. Look at you. Well, I'll go away and they can come down and have some more apples. Look, they look just like leaves. The red becomes a brown leaf in the distance. Just turns into a brown or orange leaf. That king parrot's in a wattle tree. It's either eating wattle seeds or wattle flowers, I'm not sure. That's an Acacia salicina, I think. They really are dreams come true. They really are. So wonderful.